Hi, I'm Darnell with Wave Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be dehydrating blueberries in the Bella 2-basket air fryer, and we'll see how this basket air fryer does with dehydration right now. So the ingredients for this one are very simple. I've got 2 cups of organic blueberries. I do highly recommend you use organic over non-organic, because sometimes with the non-organic stuff things don't go as planned, and I don't know what they put on or in that stuff as much as the organic stuff that always works out a bit more consistently. So basically I've got 2 cups of organic blueberries here, 1 cup is here, 1 cup is here. Basically I washed them off, dried them off, and so now I'm going to get them into the 2 baskets, 1 cup in one basket, 1 cup in the other basket. You can see basically I've just got, you know, the bottom piece that goes in there in each of them. And if you didn't see the initial review, you can see that where I did all types of other interesting things with the cooker for a review. But that and other reviews are here on this channel of other cookers. Now what I do at this point, I basically take the blueberries and I just basically jab them with the fork. That gets some holes into them, and after I jab them with the fork, I just go ahead and put them on in. And I'm going to basically do this until I'm done and have like an even layer of blueberries on this side, even layer of blueberries on the opposite side. Alright, I've got them all pierced, and if you don't pierce them first, they're not going to dehydrate right. You got to pierce that skin so that things will dehydrate down. So, got them in. Going to turn the cooker on. I'm going to turn the light off so you can see better. Now I'm going to hit the dual cook button so that things cook the same on both sides. Hit dehydrate, and I'm going to go up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit for my cooking temperature. And for the cooking time, I'm going to need the full 24 hours. I think that's the max this cooker does, and it is. So I've got 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 hours, and going to go ahead and hit start. And I'm going to hit the shake reminder so that I think that, you don't want that like beeping or anything, but I hope that doesn't start beeping at any point, because usually with other cooks with the shake reminder, I've gone through that in the initial review, but it'll start beeping at a point saying, hey, it's time to shake. But I think maybe it disabled itself automatically, knowing that dehydrate doesn't need it. I think that's why it's blinking there. So Lord willing, that's the case. I don't get woke up in the middle of the night. Anyway, gonna let this go ahead and do its run, and I'll bring you back when it's done. Alright, so 24 hours or so is complete. It's doing its cool down now. I say 24 hours or so because I think, I'm not sure how much, but I think I may have lost about 20 minutes in this 24 hours of dehydration, because I remember starting this a little more than, I guess maybe 20 minutes or more ago if it were 24 hours. So I think during the 24 hours of dehydration we lost maybe about 20 minutes, maybe a little more, less than 30, but I think a little time was lost, and that's pretty interesting. So just opening up here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on so you can see better. Now that I've got the light on, I'm going to try and see if you can see without tipping things over too much. I don't want things falling over, but you can see they're dehydrated in that one. And let me show you this other one. See if you can, well, let me get closer. Here we go. Now I think you can see pretty good. So you can see that one pretty good. Let me show you the other one again. These were pretty big, for organic, they were pretty big blueberries to start with. It's pretty interesting. Now I'm just going to get a few of them out to basically do some taste testing. You can hear they kind of clink when they hit the bowl there because they're well dehydrated. Let's get a couple from the other side. And another one there. So, I'm going to go ahead and do a taste test with you of these. So thank God for some dehydrated blueberries. Let's taste. This is one out of the right side of the air fryer. This is, well, they're kind of stuck together, but these two are from the left side. Whoa, caught it. This one is from the left side. Okay. They're pretty well dehydrated. Turned out pretty good. Basically, with the dehydrating blueberries, it just depends on the size and depending on how much more one is poked than the other, how they come out. But none are over dehydrated, like super crisp from the ones that I checked out. I'm going to check out another couple more. Why not? Yeah. None are over dehydrated. They're done just right. They're done good. So they turned out good. Dehydration works. So this cooker can do your dehydration overnight, 24 hours. I do, like I said, I think I lost about somewhere between 20 to 30 minutes there. Not 30, but somewhere less than 30. But still all the same, everything turned out good. So good dehydrated blueberries to enjoy. You can use them in whatever types of mixtures and ingredients of things that you want to make. So it's all good. Now, as I enjoy the rest of these blueberries here, sorry for talking and kind of chewing a little bit. But basically that's a pretty good deal. Now in the video description, there are lots of ways to help the channel. Nothing in this video is sponsored, so there's like merch, there's memberships, donations, there's a referral link to buy cookers. And even if you use that to buy things that aren't cookers, it still helps the channel if you use that as a jump off point for shopping. So it's all good. Now, if you did like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.